Put on those rubber strips so it won't crack up.
Mm-hmm. You want me to turn the wheels?
Oh no, this part of the transmission. Trying to get this one lined up. Yeah, you hold the back part of this. You got some weight to it now. You got a groove, you got to slide in.
So I let the back hang like this or lift it high?
Oh, you good? I just gotta, there you go. Alright, that's that part. Let me get to 2 bolts. Oh, go back some. There you go. Yeah, you instantly should not hear that noise anymore. I know there had to be dook dook or whatever. You step on it or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to tighten it till I get the back on. So these bolts in here. Bring this part in. That's it.
So do you feel an improvement?
Yeah, because what happened is the rubber tear, and then it'll start flopping around. Like, all this supposed to be one piece. It flexes, but when you got that part right there, that made this be able to come out. This supposed to be stuck in the middle of that. This ain't even supposed to come apart of it. But yeah, and as it's turning and all that, it's been scratching off the rubber. That's all rubber right there. So it's been tearing it up. Like some oil or something came out of the bearing. It's like, it's supposed to roll on the inside of this too. There's a bearing in there. It's like the grease came out, so it's just wore out, old. You right now?
I guess after 10 years, I guess that part can go. So, is that it? Pretty much good?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna hit that bed.
Yeah, the bottom.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. That is how you change a center support. What's that center support bearing? On a drive shaft for a 2008 Toyota Tundra. And again, my man Rex did it. The best mechanic in the state of Virginia. Rex is his name. Hooking up your whip, fixing them up is his game. We out.